Giki ni gikeno kia mwanya kuri ruri rwa uhindi aria makoretwo magikara guku bururi-ini ona thengia wao gukorwo matakurikanite ta Kenya kwa makiria ma njiarwa ithano thutha wa gukurikana ta kabira ya 44 guku bururi-ini.
And now I have the distinct honor and historic pleasure to be the one to present to you the Kenya Gazette notice of Monday, the 21st of July 2017, that formally declares you the 44th community of Kenya.
Sisi ni wa Kenya, kabila la Kenya.
Akimakurana ta Kenya handu-ini ha mutongoria wa bururi thutha wa hindi aya guikia ihoya kuri mutongoria wa bururi mweri-ini wa gatano mwaka uyu, Minister wa ihinda riri wa ugitiri wa thiini Fred Matiang'i ni atugeirie mutongoria wa bururi na ikinya riri.
Our brothers and sisters of Asian heritage have contributed to the development and growth of our country and what they continue to do in investment, in education, in various areas that support our economy. It's therefore the wish of government that with this celebration and with this recognition, we will have increased integration of our brothers and sisters of Asian heritage into the country.
Oho Matiang'i ni oritia hindi ya kuruta mawira mao mategwitigira mundu ni amu riu mena ihoto ta Kenya aria angi na kuona ni makoretwo makurikanite ni waki wa reri iria yari ya mbere gwakwa guku bururi-ini.
Now you are part and parcel of us formally, and actually even in terms of participation in government and government processes. You should feel majestic about it because quite a number of you come from a heritage that participated in the liberation of our country, and many of you have contributed immensely to the growth and development of our nation.
Matiang'i oho ni oritia Kenya kwamukira ruri ruru tamwe ao niguo kugacirithia wendo na urumwe guku bururi-ini. Gukurikana kwa ruri rwa Arabu ari ta kabira ya 44 na guku bururi-ini ni ikinya ringi hari gutigira urumwe wa Kenya ni warumio ni Akenya othe Kenya handu ya ruma. Gitenderithiria Kameme TV, Njita Kamau wa Mwangi.